How to care for low-light houseplants. 12 tips and tricks. In a world where natural light is scarce and city living often means limited access to sunlight, many of us find ourselves questioning, can we still bring the beauty of nature indoors? The answer? Absolutely. Welcome to the world of houseplants, where greenery thrives even in the darkest of corners. You see, houseplants aren't just for bright, sun-drenched rooms. They're versatile, adaptable, and surprisingly resilient. Even if your home lacks the perfect conditions for a sun-soaked jungle, there are plenty of plants that will flourish in low light. But why bother bringing houseplants into your life, you may wonder? Well, beyond their aesthetic appeal, these green companions offer a multitude of benefits. Houseplants are nature's air purifiers, filtering out harmful toxins and pollutants while simultaneously releasing oxygen into the air. They've also been shown to reduce stress, boost mood, and enhance productivity. A welcome addition to any urban oasis. Now, you might be thinking, but my home doesn't get much sunlight. Can houseplants really thrive in the shadows? Absolutely! With the right care and selection, low-light houseplants can thrive even in the darkest rooms. Before we delve into our comprehensive guide, let me introduce us. We're here to support you on your plant care journey. If you ever have questions or need advice about caring for your houseplants, don't hesitate to reach out and ask your questions in the comments below. We're here to help. Our team consists of experts in all things greenery, ready to provide guidance and support. Whether you're facing a plant problem or just seeking advice, we're dedicated to assisting you on your plant care journey. So go ahead, drop your questions in the comments, and let's grow together. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and advice for nurturing your indoor jungle. So, here are some tips to guide you in caring for your low-light houseplants in a dark room. Tip number 1. Choose wisely. Opt for the low-light heroes. When it comes to selecting houseplants for those shady corners, think of them as the superheroes of the plant world. Resilient, adaptable, and ready to thrive in the shadows. Look out for plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, and pothos. They're like the Avengers of the plant kingdom, equipped to conquer darkness and bring green goodness to your home. For a complete guide to selecting the perfect plants for dark rooms, simply click on the link located in the upper right corner to access a detailed video showcasing suitable options. Alternatively, you can find the link in the video description below. Dive into the world of indoor greenery and discover the ideal plants to thrive in your low-light spaces. Tip number 2. Strategic placement. Let your plants play hide and seek with the sun. Imagine your plants as little adventurers, seeking out every ray of sunlight like hidden treasure. Position them near windows or spots where light peeks through, encouraging them to stretch towards those precious beams. It's like giving your plants a front row seat to their favorite show, the ever-changing dance of sunlight and shadow. Tip number 3. Supplemental lighting. Shedding light on the dark. Just like how we reach for a flashlight when things get dim, your plants might need a little extra illumination too. Enter artificial grow lights, the secret weapon for nurturing plants in rooms with limited natural light. Think of them as your plant's personal spotlights, ensuring they get the VIP treatment they deserve, no matter how gloomy it gets outside. If you're interested in exploring artificial grow lights for your indoor garden, you can find some recommended options in the video description below. Tip number 4. Monitor watering. A sip, not a soak. In the low-light realm, it's all about moderation when it comes to watering. Think of your plants as desert dwellers, accustomed to sipping rather than gulping. Keep an eye on their hydration needs, letting the soil dry out slightly between waterings to prevent soggy roots. It's like finding the perfect balance for your plant pals. Not too thirsty, not too parched, just right. Tip number 5. Humidity control. Creating a greenhouse oasis. Picture your home as a lush tropical paradise, complete with misty rainforests and balmy breezes. Maintain that idyllic environment by misting your plants regularly or setting up a mini spa day with a tray of water nearby. It's like giving your plants a VIP pass to their very own botanical retreat, where humidity reigns supreme and dryness is banished. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of plant enthusiasts. Share this video with your friends who are looking to become plant parents but are unsure about their dark living spaces. Together, let's spread the joy of greenery and transform even the darkest rooms into thriving indoor jungles. Now, let's get back to exploring the wonderful world of low-light houseplants. Tip number 6. Rotate regularly. Keep your plants on their toes. Your plants are the ultimate performers, and every superstar needs a chance to shine from all angles. Rotate them regularly to ensure they get their moment in the spotlight from every side, preventing them from leaning towards the light source like eager fans at a concert. It's like orchestrating a grand symphony of growth, with each plant playing its part in perfect harmony. Tip number 7. Pruning with purpose. Trim and tidy for optimal growth. Just like giving your plants a stylish haircut, pruning helps them stay healthy and vibrant. Trim away any yellowing or dead leaves to encourage new growth and maintain their lush appearance. It's like giving your plants a makeover, ensuring they're always ready for their close-up. Tip number 8. Feed the green. Treat your plants to a nutrient boost. Even in low-light conditions, your plants need a little nourishment to thrive. Consider using a gentle, balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength to supplement their diet. Think of it as giving your plants a delicious smoothie packed with essential nutrients, helping them grow strong and vibrant. Tip number 9. Keep it clean. Banish dust and dirt for healthy growth. Just like tidying up your living space, keeping your plants clean and dust-free is essential for their well-being. Wipe down their leaves regularly with a damp cloth to remove dust and grime, allowing them to breathe freely and photosynthesize efficiently. It's like giving your plants a spa day, refreshing and rejuvenating them for optimal growth. Before we proceed, a friendly reminder. We've curated playlists focusing on caring for your houseplants, including methods for cleaning and shining their leaves, as well as repotting techniques for almost every common houseplant. So, if you're seeking guidance, these playlists are your go-to resource. Explore a wealth of tips and tricks tailored to your beloved green companions. Happy watching and happy growing. Tip number 10. Mind the pot. Choose the right home for your plants. Just like finding the perfect dwelling for yourself, selecting the right pot for your plants is crucial for their health and happiness. Opt for pots with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and ensure proper airflow to the roots. Consider repotting your plants if they outgrow their containers, giving them room to spread their roots and flourish. It's like finding the perfect fit for your plants, setting them up for success in their cozy abode. Tip number 11. Watch for signs. Decode your plant's language. Your plants have their own way of communicating with you, and it's essential to listen carefully. Keep an eye out for signs of stress or disease, such as wilting leaves, yellowing foliage, or unusual spots. Pay attention to their needs and adjust your care routine accordingly, ensuring they thrive in their environment. It's like learning to speak the language of plants, forming a deeper connection with your green companions. Tip number 12. Avoid overcrowding. Give your plants some breathing room. Just like us, plants need their personal space to thrive. Avoid overcrowding by giving each plant adequate space to spread out and grow. This prevents competition for light and airflow, reducing the risk of stunted growth and susceptibility to pests and diseases. Think of it as creating a harmonious neighborhood for your plants, where they can flourish without feeling cramped or crowded. As we wrap up, remember that bringing greenery into your home can brighten even the darkest corners. With the right plants and care, you can create a lush oasis that thrives in low-light conditions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant care tips, and don't forget to share it with your fellow plant-loving friends. Thank you for joining us on this green journey, and as you embark on your journey of nurturing your indoor oasis, don't forget to take care of yourself, your home, and your beloved plants. Remember, just as your plants rely on you for care, you also deserve to thrive in a space filled with greenery and tranquility. So, take a moment to breathe in the beauty of your indoor jungle and appreciate the harmony it brings to your life. Until next time, happy planting, and may your home be filled with endless greenery and joy.